Did YouTube quietly release one of the biggest creator updates of the year? Listen, y'all, I was uploading a video today and I noticed something I've never seen before inside YouTube Studio. Right alongside adding subtitles, end screens, and cards, there's now a brand new option called Add a Quiz. Okay. So if you're a coach, a consultant, an educator, a nonprofit leader, or anyone for that matter, creating tutorial content or any content, this is a feature you will want to pay attention to. Now, I will say that I did mark this video as an educational video. So I'm not sure if that has anything to do with it or not, because I do see that there's also an option to add files and it's not available to me. So it may just depend on what type of video you have. But I want to show you how it works really quickly because I'm actually uploading a video that I just saw this feature on. Okay, so as you're in here, of course, I'm at the initial check phase of uploading the video. When you get to video elements down here, you will see add a quiz. Okay, you're going to click on add next to quiz. And from there, you can now go in and write your quiz question. What? And you could literally insert it at a certain timestamp. This is crazy, y'all. You can add your quiz question. You can literally put your answers in. And now your YouTube video becomes more interactive where they can actually engage in your video. Like it reminds me of those Netflix shows. I think Boss Baby had this on Netflix at one point where you could literally interact with the episodes themselves to determine what's the next scene or what would be the next video that you see, and you will be able to watch the TV show in the order of your choosing based on what you put in. And so this kind of give those vibes, but this might seem like a small update, but it literally could have such a big impact because if you think about it, if you're teaching, say for example, the video that I'm uploading is a Google Workspace tutorial. And then I'm also an operations manager in consulting. So if I'm doing the operations training or project management training, or if I'm teaching a new AI tool or system, I can now test my students or audience, right? Understanding directly inside of my videos. And so I used to be a teacher. And as a teacher, as I'm teaching things, I would have to check for understanding. Okay. And a short quiz was an easy way to check for understanding. We can now do that on YouTube to a larger audience of people who are watching our videos. And so instead of you just watching, now you're actually participating. And that's a completely different viewing experience. And so if you need some ideas for using it, you could literally ask, like for example, in my quiz, I could literally say, what Google Drive feature automatically suggests file organization, right? And I would literally put that here and then put option choices. I would put Gemini, Notebook LM, Google Drive itself, and then I could literally put in an explanation. But I just wanted to show y'all that really quickly without actually going through the full process because I'm actually doing something. But you could do your quiz question at the timestamp you wanted to go on, and then you could literally put your answer choices, and then you can add more if you want to, and then offer an explanation as well. That is so crazy to me. I'm definitely going to start experimenting with this feature on future tutorials. And I just want to know, have you received access to the quiz feature yet? If so, have you been using it? Or how are you thinking about using it in the future content that you'll be creating? Let me know in the comments down below. And if you enjoyed this video about this new feature in YouTube, please go ahead and comment, like, and subscribe to my channel for more updates like this. Okay, y'all, talk soon.